What's up, everyone? Here we go. It's that time again. Got the package in, launch date. Again, that's 2 launch days a year for me. Got the Android first, now the iPhone 13. Here we go. iPhone 13. Look at that, they don't have the plastic around it anymore. It's crazy. Oh, actually pull this. Boop. All right, look at this. Just come with that. It's a phone right here. Yeah, nice. It looks real close to the iPhone. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is my iPhone 13. Looks pretty much the same. This thing right here is all over. Now the iPhone 13 to my Fold 3. You know, my Fold 3 is my fun phone. For productivity, the iPhone is the best for it. That's why I always keep an iPhone and an Android. One for fun, other one for business. While I was at it, I ordered a case for it. You know, even though the phone is a pretty color, I make sure I get a rugged case because I have a tendency of dropping phones and stuff. So you can't get any ruggeder than this. I even got the one with the little screen on it, little plastic shield on it. After I set up the phone, then I'm gonna put this right on it. Then won't take it off until I'm ready to upgrade next year. Let's start this bad boy up. All right, here we go. See, like this. Oh, wow, look at that. The biggest thing I noticed is the notch. Look at the notch difference. It took like, oh, look at that. Set up a new phone. You can see a phone already. Anyway, look at the notch difference.